How much XRP do you need for the AMM liquidity pools on March 22nd? This question came into my mind because a lot of people have been asking me how much returns can you receive from the AMM, and that depends on three things: the trading volume, the pool fee per trade, and the liquidity in the pool. And so today let's go into some examples, some scenarios, and see potentially how much returns can be made and the risks involved, which not a lot of people are talking about. Now, if you want the best AMM information on the market to understand it in the simplest way possible, make sure you are subscribed down below. And with that said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first I want to go over a quick recap of the past two episodes to catch everyone up with XRP Ledger AMMs. So the AMM is a decentralized exchange with trillions of dollars transacted worldwide and allowing users to become their own banks and market makers. There's 8,000 plus XRP Ledger tokens, and you can create a pool with any two of which you like. So you don't actually need XRP. And on to point number three, this is not staking. You are lending your XRP to be bought and sold so that others can trade, and you are earning a fee from that. So you're earning yield from market making, volatility, and the continuous auction mechanism. And last, we have impermanent loss. We will go more into this later on, but it's the opportunity cost of holding versus providing your assets to an AMM pool. To mitigate risk, you can provide liquidity to two stable coins or coins that have very high correlation like XRP and XLM. The charts are pretty much identical. And so only put a portion of your XRP or any crypto that you do not intend to hold for the long term only for being a liquidity provider. Now, how do you actually calculate how much you could earn in terms of yield? Well, here you have it. You can multiply the volume with the pool fee and then the percentage of what you own of that pool. So for example, let's just say the pool is XRP to USDC. The fee is 0.3% and you own 5% of that pool. Someone swaps $50,000 of XRP to USDC. 0.3% of that is 500. Then 5% of that is $7.50. And that gets added to your position. And now on to Orchestra Finance, where we did the DevNet testing and allocated some XRP to different pools. If you haven't seen that video, we go into the AMM testing tutorial. Go and check that out. It's in the top right. You can go and click it there. But here we can see our allocation. And I want to go to the XRP/nut pool because it's more realistic to go over. So 0.5% fee. We own 0.19, but it was 0.18 when I wrote this down. So someone swaps $100,000 worth. 0.5% of that is 500, then 0.18% is 90 cents. And you might think that's not much, but that's just one trade. And XRP has billions of dollars in daily volume, and the majority of that comes from traders. So it's all about picking the right pools with the right amount of funds, which we'll go more into in the next AMM video when it's finally released on March 22nd. Next point is impermanent loss, which before we get into, I need to share something very important that I'm seeing not with just newcomers in the space, but people who have been in the space for quite a while falling victim to phishing links. And as the AMM comes out, I can imagine there's going to be AMM phishing links trying to take your XRP. So you're going to need cold storage to be safe when this actually approaches. And I always recommend Decent Wallet to someone who's never had cold storage before because it's so user friendly, having 4 big buttons, screen display, and biometric authentication, and EAL5 Plus certified. Also, if you're interested in the XRP ecosystem, there's many tokens like Codium, Solo, Expectar. If you're an XRP holder, you're probably interested in XLM, XTC, WTK, Stronghold. They're all available on a Decent Wallet, that and 3,000 plus other coins. And also hassle-free firmware updates, no backdoors with recovery or whatever was going on with Ledger previously. Currently free shipping to the EU, UK, US, and Japan, and 30% off when you use the links down below in the description. So when you're not being a liquidity provider with your additional funds of XRP, hold it on a Decent Wallet. And now moving on to point number 3, we have risks. Impermanent loss down here. It's misunderstood. It's the opportunity cost of holding versus providing assets to the AMM pool, and it could be seen as a win. Great tweet here on X by Panos. Make sure you're following in for anything AMM XRP ledger related. So you're providing liquidity to XRP USD pool. The price of XRP actually crashes, and you end up with more XRP than USDC previously when you actually deposited. So if the price goes down, it's like dollar cost averaging in. If the price increases, it's like DCAing out automated. And here's a tweet by XRP Loon of his situation of impermanent loss, an example where he would have made more money just by holding 20,000 XRP instead of actually going into the pool. It's hypothetical loss, opportunity cost, impermanent loss. That is how much it cost him. So, in a sense, there's a strategy to actually making money, making it worth it with yield, going for different pairs, and the difference between investing in euphoria or fear. And that's something we'll go more into when it's finally released. Now, on to the fourth point, the big question: will this increase the price of XRP? Well, it's locking more XRP up, creating more demand, and increasing liquidity, which therefore should increase the price. But I don't think it's going to make that much difference. It's more yield and opportunity for existing XRP holders. What's going to increase price to me is ODL volumes increasing and support of XRP ledger projects in the ecosystem. And going forwards, this is great as the bull run is here, where we're going to see more trading activity with hype, FOMO, huge price increases, and more trading fees, which means more money for liquidity providers. Perfect time to actually jump in and get involved. Also, in terms of price, we recently moved up to the 70-cent ranges. So if the AMM catalyst potential case coming to an end catalyst, it could be very good for the coming months on XRP. But made this final video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.